Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Ashley and I'm so happy you're here today, and I'm actually really excited about today's video because I am doing a $50 giveaway, which I'll give you more information on that here in a minute. But I'm also excited because I've never done this before, a nighttime clean with me. And here in the States, fall is just a few weeks away, so it is a nighttime clean with me, but I'll have a little bit of a fall decorate with me here towards the very end, just in case I have any Aussies on here not interested in that. And the reason why I'm even mentioning it is because I'm collabing with someone very special, my friend here on YouTube and Instagram, Katrina from 𝚂𝚕𝚕. I love Katrina's content, y'all, and I just really like her as a person. She's so friendly and always so encouraging, and like I said, her content is fabulous. She is a homemaking channel, mom of two, and she shares lots of cleaning motivation, grocery hauls, and meal prep, what's for dinner, and by the way, her recipes are always the best. I'm always discovering new recipes from her, but Katrina's actually doing a nighttime clean with me over on her channel, so make sure you head over and check that video out after you watch mine. I'll be linking her channel and her video in the description box below. If you're coming over from the 𝚂𝚕𝚕, hello and welcome. I do homemaking style videos such as organization, cleaning motivation, decorating, and a few DIYs here and there. And I would love for you to join my YouTube community by hitting that subscribe button down below. So in the evenings, I usually like to straighten up the living room first, close all my blinds, and then really go in and make sure the kitchen and dining room is all cleaned up from dinner and the day. Also, y'all, don't forget I'm doing a giveaway in today's video. I'm going to ask you to answer a specific question here in a minute, and all you'll have to do is answer that question in the comment section within the first hour that this video is posted, and you will be entered to win. All right, I also have a little bit of a mess going on right here. This little basket's kind of like a catch-all, and it also has my oils in it because I like to put my essential oils in the sink to make it smell good. I have grapefruit as my favorite. I also have orange, lemon, all that. And then I have these out because I just ordered my fall scents for Scentsy, and I also got my Bed Bath & Beyond candles and wallflowers as well. But my favorite scent is this cedar cider. Oh gosh, guys, it smells so good. So I had these sitting here because I just got these in. I ordered these from my friend. I'll text her and see if I can get a link, and I'll put a link for these in the description box below. Okay, so I kind of wanted to explain my canning situation. I am not a prepper or anything like that, but I did have a lot of self-rising flour, and I had like 2 bags of sugar. My mom had purchased me some when I couldn't find any, and then I found some, and then I had some, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have all this flour. Luckily, I've been making our family bread and all of that, so they'll probably get used up pretty quickly, but it might not. I might have this for the next year or so. All I did was just sanitize these jars. So I just got these mason jars at Walmart. They're really cute. I wanted to use them to decorate with. I was like, oh my gosh, I want to use these to decorate with. They're pretty inexpensive too, so I'll have to go back to Walmart and see if they have more of these. But all I did is I sanitized these jars, filled them up, and if I wanted this to last like years and years, I could put them in the oven and seal the top, but I didn't do that because I'll probably go through this pretty quickly. Being that fall and winter months are ahead of us, I'm going to be making a lot of bread. That's like our family recipe. So I might go through this quickly, I might not. Either way, it's good. Like, this will last me for a long time, and it's not going to spill over. It's going to be nice and neat. It'll last longer. If I seal these, they'll last for a really long time. And so yeah, I just wanted to kind of explain this to y'all. I'll probably go through this pretty quickly, but this is specifically self-rising bread, so this I won't go through as quickly as my like all-purpose flour. That I just kept in the bag because I'll go through it quickly. I know I will. But I'm sitting here thinking where I'm gonna put these because I really don't have a lot of room in my pantry. Let me show you. So here is my big thing of flour. It's actually almost gone. So I did freeze that. I put that in the freezer, but I just had that there, and this is probably the worst place to have it, y'all. But I'm gonna end up grabbing this bag several times throughout the week, and I'll probably go through it pretty quickly. So that's just there for convenience. I actually probably, and what's funny is I also have flour back there. So I have so much flour and sugar. I went from having like none to like a ton. But anyway, I don't really know where I'm gonna put these jars because I feel like everything's filled up. So the only thing I think of is maybe I can put like a little shelf here, and then I can put the canned soda on the bottom, and then I can put the flour up here. So maybe I'll see if I can find like a little shelf to go right there. Otherwise, I might have to put it in a linen closet upstairs, but I don't know. I don't know, y'all. To be continued. Okay, I am actually going to take my Scentsies. This is the linen closet in our downstairs half bath, but my candles are up here, and then up here is where I keep all my little Scentsies. So I'm gonna stick those in there. And also, by the way, y'all, these baskets I love because if you're in a tight space, they're flexible. You can fit them in, and they just look really nice. And I got them from Target. Actually, all of these baskets are from Target, but this is my linen closet. Or I guess you could call it my linen closet. I don't know what this is actually. It's a closet in my half bath downstairs. It's where I keep all of Bella's like clothes and hygiene items, and then all of my soaps, candles, all that. My wallflowers are in there. I don't think I brought y'all in here before, so this is where I hide all of my overflow of candles and hand soaps. Getting off track here. Let's get back to cleaning. All right, y'all, time for the big question. So to enter today's giveaway, like I said, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and reply to this question I'm about to ask within the first hour I've posted this video. And the question is, what is your least favorite household chore? So put your reply in the comment section below. And like I said, if you reply to this question within the first hour that I've posted this video and you're subscribed to my channel, I will write your name down and you'll be entered to win $50 in cash via Venmo or PayPal. And this is not sponsored by Venmo, PayPal, or YouTube. This is just a personal thank you for subscribing to my channel. As I just hit over 1,000 subscribers last week, y'all, I could not be more thankful. And I wanted to celebrate and give back by doing this $50 cash giveaway to one of my subscribers. So I will be announcing the winner over on my Instagram tomorrow, September 3rd. My Instagram link is in the description box below, and don't worry if you're not on Instagram, I'll reach out to you personally here on YouTube, and you will have 24 hours to claim your prize. If you don't respond within that 24 hours, I will have to move on to the next person. But like I said, comment your question below and you will be entered to win as long as you've commented within that first hour. And that question is, what is your least favorite household chore to do? All right, y'all, good luck. Y'all, how cute is this amber little teacup and plate I found at a indoor flea market type deal. I don't really know what it's called. I just call it the indoor flea market. But how cute is this? I thought this little amber plate and cup was so cute, and it matched my tablescape very well. As a matter of fact, this cake plate is amber colored, and I got these amber colored vases from Target. But like I said, these plates in this was from an indoor flea market. And if you didn't see my Tablescape video, I will link it below on how I did this. But I'm actually going to take all of the plates and the chargers, napkins, all of that down anyway, just because I don't really know what our Thanksgiving plans are going to look like. But either way, I know for sure that it is far enough away that we are not going to be using these plates and chargers, napkins, all of that. So I'm going to store all that away for now. And I'm actually even thinking about if I want to simplify this Tablescape down a little more as well. Just because, as you'll see, or you kind of already saw, I had the side cabinet over here styled, and there was a lot going on. I felt like it flowed really well, but just a lot was going on. And to have like a lot going on with the cabinet and the Tablescape, I figured, you know what? One of these have to be simplified. So either the side cabinet, I got to simplify that down, or the Tablescape. So I'm going to figure that out. I'm going to kind of bring y'all along with me during that process and show you how I end up finalizing the fall layout for the table and the cabinet. But before I do any of that, I have got to take these plates down and kind of wipe everything down. So I'm going to do that real quick. Watching yourself behind those lonely eyes. So this is too funny. As I'm editing and watching this footage, I realized I took a couple of my pumpkins off this Tablescape to use for this side cabinet. So it looks so empty missing those pumpkins, but I just had to throw that out there. I thought it was so funny that this Tablescape was missing a few pumpkins. No worries, I'll replace them. And if you saw my Instagram stories yesterday, you'll know I have several extra pumpkins that I can donate to this Tablescape. Y'all, I feel like just taking those off, it looks so much cleaner. I really don't want to take this down, y'all. I love it so much. But at the same time, I had kind of come over here, and y'all know since my last video, I think it was my last video, that I have been messing with this. But I love this. I think it's so pretty, but it's just not what I'm wanting. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna take everything off, start with a clean slate, and get this side cabinet officially decorated for fall. No end in sight. So all of the pumpkins, fall floral, and the hand towels that you see on the side cabinet is from a really cute boutique inside the indoor flea market that I'm always talking about. And I actually met the lady who owned this particular boutique while I was shopping the other day, and she was so sweet. And the other items that you see on here are also from that indoor flea market, but just from different boutiques. The amber vases are from Target. The fall florals and leaves that are in and next to the amber vase, those are from Hobby Lobby, and then the crates are from Hobby Lobby as well. I wanted to show y'all, this is kind of what it looks like with this jar, empty of any kind of floral. All right, y'all, I finally have it how I love it. I'm so excited about it. The only thing that I can't figure out is if I want these orange berries in this amber vase or not. So let me know. I'm going to show you with and without. So should we go with the orange berries, or should we go without the orange berries? It's one of those things where I'm being so indecisive on, so I need y'all's help. Please, in the comments below, should I go with or without the orange berries? Drifted away right, y'all, well, that is all for today, and thank you so much for being here. And if you enjoy these types of videos, I definitely have more cleaning motivation and fall content coming your way, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Also, don't forget to enter your reply to the question that I had asked earlier in the video in the comment section below to be entered to win the giveaway. And don't forget to head over to Katrina from Mama Cat's channel to watch her nighttime clean with me, and please let her know that I sent you. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.